श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री दत्त गुरुवे नमः। श्री 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 विठलानंद सरस्वती गुरुवे नमः। फर्स्ट चैप्टर। श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। नामधारक sees Sri Guru in dream. A devotee of Sri Guru by name Namadharak, greatly worried due to domestic miseries, left home and started on foot with the intense desire of seeing Sri Guru. While on his way, he was praying to Sri Guru all the time. Oh Guru, all say thou art Paras, the philosopher's stone that turns iron into gold by mere touch. But then why should I be required to suffer so much, though I have been reciting your name all the time and having full faith in you? In this Kali Yuga, you are the incarnation of Trimurti, three principal gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar. Oh Sri Narasimha Saraswati, you are the guide to and treasure of the kindness to the devotees. As a mother does not forsake her child, in the same way, please do not keep me away from yourself. As you are my mother, father, brother, sister, friend, relative, one and all. You are the protector of this universe, donor of gods. You have all the knowledge. You are the protector of this universe, donor of gods. You have all the knowledge. Om Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha. Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha. You made Bali the king of Patal. You gave Bibhishan the kingdom of Lanka, Ceylon. You made this earth devoid of the Kshatriya race and then gave it in charity to the Brahmins. You offered everlasting place to Dhruva. But what did you receive in return from every one of these? If you have received nothing, then what can an innocent human being like myself offer you, who himself the Lord of Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, is? When a child on the lap of its mother opens its mouth to drink milk, What does the mother expect from the child? It does not become you, a great giver of boons, to first receive and then to give. All the wells on the earth do not adore Varun, the god of rains, but yet Varun gives rain in abundance to one and all. My forefathers have been your devotees for generations. I possess only this treasure of services of my family unto you. Kindly give me some loan from this treasure, as I am in very peculiar circumstances. I am seeking your shelter, considering, and you, on your part, overlook my misdeeds and do not be angry with me. If a mother is angry with the child seeks father's shelter. You are my father and mother too. So, will you not protect me, an innocent child? Are you not even inclined to listen to my miserable tale? Being tired of walking, he sat down under a tree and soon he was asleep. In his dream, he saw a personality with hair locks on head, ash markings on all the body, and face full of kindness. He soon recognized him to be Sri Guru, who applied ashes to his forehead and placed his blessing hand on his head. Sri Datta Guruve Namaha, Sri Sripada Vallabhaya Namaha, Sri Sadgurave Namaha. First chapter completed. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara, 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 Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara. Sri Sachidananda Samartha Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Avadhuta Chintana Sri Gurudeva Datta. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha, Sri Saraswati Namaha, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Chapter 1a. Namadharak is blessed with the vision of Sri Gurunath. To transcribe into finite language in the confines of limited vocabulary, the infinite glory and effulgence of Guru Dattatreya, the unified manifestation of the Supreme Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, is an impossible task for any. Even the Vedas failed and beat a retreat, faltering an excuse, not this, etc. But even so, if at least a small and single ray of supreme effulgence of the Godhead can be captured, that is enough to redeem the world. And through divine grace, the impossible becomes possible to some or a little extent at least. Saraswati Gangadhara, the blessed devotee of Dattavatara Sri Narasimha Saraswati, before setting out to write the sacred Guru Charitra, the life story of Avatar, invokes the grace of Lord Ganesha. Without Lord Ganesha's grace, nothing can be achieved. He is Mangalamurti, the embodiment of all the auspicious attributes and the abode of all auspiciousness. He is most easily pleased, responds instantaneously, and bestows His grace ever readily on whosoever calls out to Him. He makes the impossible possible. With His grace and help, the sage Vyasa could compose the incomparable and monumental Mahabharata, the ever greatest of the epics. Saraswati Gangadhara extols Lord Ganesh as follows: You are the remover of all obstacles. You keep your large fan-like ears always waving. The air waves produced thereby drive away all the obstacles in the path of your devotees. In your stomach rest all the worlds, and that is why you are extolled as Lambodara. Even all the gods have to worship you alone first, before undertaking any of their divine tasks. I pray you have to bless this venture of mine and help me through. Next, Saraswati Gangadhara invokes the grace of Mother Saraswati, the bestower of all knowledge and wisdom. He prays, O Mother, you are the mother of all the Vedas. Without grace, man cannot pronounce even a syllable. You are the life force behind the sound faculty of men. You are the indweller in all the fourfold aspects of sound, that is, Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikari, is from the subtlest of the grossest expressions of sound. I beseech you to bless me and help me in this venture of mine. Saraswati Gangadhara next prays to the Trimurtis and to Sri Dattatreya. He prays, O Lord, you are the primeval Guru. You are the one who incarnated in the Kali age as Sri Narasimha Saraswati to redeem people from their ignorance and their ills. With full faith that you alone are going to steer me through this colossal venture, I am setting out upon this task. It is like the child trying to catch the moon by stretching out its hand, but even so, I have complete faith in you that you will help me through. Thus, Saraswati Gangadhara starts the divine narrative, the Guru Charitra. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha. As a prelude, he gives a brief account of his lineage and of his immediate forebears. He belongs to the Kaundinya Gotra. He is of the 4th generation in the line reckoning from Satyam Dev. Satyam Dev's son was Naganath and Naganath's son was Devrao. All of them were staunch devotees and worshippers of Guru. Shyamdev and Naganath had the blessed privilege of being the closest disciples of Gurunath and of serving the Master in his lifetime. It was because of the merit earned by them that one among their family, Saraswati Gangadhara, could become an instrument of the Lord to write about the divine Leelas of the great Dattavatara for the benefit of humanity and the world. It should, however, be understood that the life of any great saint or master, and much more so of an avatar like that of Sri Narasimha Saraswati, is like a huge iceberg lying submerged in the frozen waters of the ocean and showing but a teeny crest or pinnacle afloat on the waters. What will be discernible to human eyes is just the teeny portion afloat above the waters, but not the mountain-sized iceberg submerged under the waters. So also in the following account of Gurunath's life, it is but a fraction of his glory that will be delineated. It is impossible for any to describe the avatar's full glory. He is a mystery beyond all human comprehension. Now begins the sacred Guru Charitra narrative. There was once a devotee by the name of Namadharak, who had a great yearning to visit the holy Gangapur for darshan of sacred Guru Padukas, the Nirguna Padukas of Dattavatar, Sri Narasimha Saraswati Deva, enshrined there. He had heard much most authentic anecdotes how Gurunath continues to shower his grace on all seekers even after his Mahaprasthana, and that a pilgrimage to Gangapur is sure to soothe the mind, to satiate the yearnings of the heart, to quench the thirst of the should, and to allay the hunger of the spirit for all the devotees. With great expectations and hopes, Namadharak set out from his far-off village to Gangapur. The journey was long and arduous. He was very exhausted and had lost all stamina. He was seized with despair as to whether he would survive and be able to reach the destination at all. Lo, no mother ever forsakes her child. The cow comes seeking its calf. Namadharak had a wondrous dream. Gurunath Sri Narasimha Saraswati Deva stood there before him, casting his benevolent looks upon him and placing his hand on his Namadharaka's head as a token of his blessings. Namadharak's joy knew no bounds. He fell at Gurunath's feet. He sang out long hymns of praise to the Lord. He offered mental worship to him. He collected the dust from under the feet of the Lord and smeared it on his own forehead and all over his body. He was overwhelmed with joy. Sri Dattaya Guruve Namaha, Sri Sripada Vallabhaya Namaha, Sri Nrsimha Saraswatyai Namaha, Sadguruve Namaha. 1A chapter completed. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara, 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 Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara. Sri Sachidananda Samartha Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Avadhuta Chintana Sri Gurudeva Datta. Sachidananda Samartha Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Avadhuta Chintana